Now, in this video, we will verify the given statement for true and false. So, the heading is answer true or false. The smallest integer is 0. Is it true or false? For this, I will take the help of number line. Now, which is the smallest integer? Smallest integer is that which is on the leftmost end. You know that the number line never ends. Okay? These symbol shows that the number line is non-ending. This arrow and this arrow. That we can stretch the number line as far as we can. So, line is limitless. So, if the line is limitless, therefore, you can write so many negative integers and they are countless. Therefore, this is to say that 0 is smallest. No, this is false. 0 is greatest of all the negative integer and the negative integer are smallest one. But we can't decide which is the last negative integer. There are so many negative integers and the counting of negative or positive integer on the both ends of the number line is countless. So we can say that the smallest integer is 0. This is wrong. So I will write this false. The second statement is minus 17 is greater than minus 6. Now we know which number is on the right hand side, that is always greater. Let us check the position of minus 17 and minus 6 on the number line. Here you will see this is minus 17 and this is minus 6. You can see that which is on the right hand side. The minus 6 is on the right hand side and the minus 17 is on the left hand side. So 6 is greater. But here what is given? Minus 17 is greater. So it is again false. Now, the third statement is a positive integer is always greater than its opposite. The opposite of any positive integer is a negative integer. And see, this is the number line. The positive integers are in black ink and the negative integers are in blue ink. You can see that all the positive integers are lying on the right hand side. I take an example of 4. This is plus 4 and its opposite is minus 4. You can see plus 4 is on the right hand side and the minus 4 is on the left hand side. So plus 4 is always greater. So it is written that a positive integer is always greater than its opposite. So this statement is true. Now minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 8 are integers ordered from greatest to least. Now with minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 8. Let us check. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 8. Now which is the greatest integer among these? Now for this I will again take the help of number line. So all these are negative integers and we can see that on the number line here minus 1, minus 2, minus 4 and minus 8. So which is on the leftmost? That is minus 8. Therefore minus 8 is smallest. This is smallest and which is greatest? Minus 1, as this is on the rightmost position in this group. Okay, minus 1 is greatest. After that minus 2 is smallest, then smaller than minus 1, then minus 4 is smaller than minus 2 and minus 8 is smallest among all. So this order is following the pattern from greatest to smallest. So greatest to least, that is right. I will write it true. Now the greatest negative integer is -1. Yes, this is true. And how you can see that the first minus negative integer is -1. After that, all the negative integers are on the left hand side of -1. Therefore, -1 is on the right hand position in the group of negative integers. Therefore, -1 is the greatest negative integer. The greatest negative integer is -1. Therefore, I will write this is true. So, in this part, we have verified the given statement with the help of number line. The smallest integer is 0. -17 is a greater than -6. Its answer. The positive integer is always greater than its opposite. That's answer. And here we have justified or verified the ordered pair of the integers, negative integer. The greatest negative integer is -1. That is true.